Take 3. I can't get this right for some reason. A little bit of a brain fart. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. Today I have a weighted core workout. I have 2 different weights. I have a 20-pound dumbbell and a 10-pound dumbbell. We have 8 different exercises. We're going to perform 25 repetitions per exercise and take about a 30-second or so break between the exercises. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started with exercise number 1. Should be seeing the preview of the exercise on the screen right now. Remember, we're going for 25 repetitions. You guys ready to go? 3, and make sure you get enough room. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2. Nice and slow. I want all these to be controlled throughout this entire workout. Squeeze, let go. 6, 7, don't rush through these. 8, 9, 10, beautiful. Keep it up. 1, 2, squeeze, let go, and squeeze. 3, more than halfway done. 4, 5, 6, 'Let's do a couple more. Ready? Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. All right, I have to apologize. I completely lost my count on that one. That's all right. Still pushing it up a little bit. All right. Now we're going for the next exercise, which is going to be plank hold to a side hold. I'm going to use a weight for this one, and this weight is 10 pounds. Let's relax for another few seconds and we'll get going. Once again, you should be seeing the preview of this one. Put the weight across your body, bring it up, look up at the sky, pull the weight down, and do the other side. Once again, going for about 25 repetitions. Not sure if I can count correctly. All right, weight right here. I'm gonna start with my left arm. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, bring the weight over, look up, and put the weight down. That's 1. Over, up, weight down. That's 2. Control the weight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep it up. Stay in control. 8, 9, not easy. Not easy for me. 10, keep it up. 15 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 1, and last one, and 2. Whew. That was a long exercise. All right, here comes our break, 30 seconds or so. Now we're going back to the good old Russian twist. We're gonna switch over to the heavier weight. If the heavier weight gets too heavy, might jump down to the lighter one, or just drop the weight altogether. Anything works. Get through it, 25 repetitions, guys, as well as you can. Remember, put a lot of tension on that core and push your endurance and push your strength as much as you can. All right, Russian twist, legs up in the air. It's up to you if you want to do this or if you want to leave them down, whatever works for you. Start with the legs up. If it gets really challenging, you can't hold your legs up anymore, drop the legs, keep the weight, vice versa, whatever you want to do. Ready to go? 25 repetitions. Legs up and let's go. 1, 2, slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow it down. 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, slow. 3, 4. My pace. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, and 5. All right, weights away. Look at my watch. We'll take about a 30-second break. Next exercise, you should be also seeing this one on the screen. We're going for a flutter kick. I'm gonna keep my hands at my sides. There's not a lot of room over here. If you might make it more challenging, you put your hands over your head as you lay down on your stomach. All right, try to get those quads off the ground as much as we can. And this one, and just give me a flutter kick. I apologize in advance if the microphone gets screwed up, but I'm gonna be laying on my stomach and the microphone is on my chest, so the sound might be crappy. Anyway, you're gonna arch up, keep those arms back, and just gonna give me a slow kick at my pace. We could probably do 200 of these. We're going for 25. Means we're gonna pace it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Arch back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze everything. 4. Right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms up the air, in the air. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. Boy, remember, I felt that one pretty good. Core is all the way around, so you gotta work your lower back and everything else also. All right, exercise number 5 according to the board. We're going for the overhead sit-up. Grab whichever weight you prefer. I'm gonna start off with the 20. Might have to drop down to the 10. Gonna try not to. Once again, you're seeing the preview. Hold the weight over your head. Keep it pointing towards the sky throughout the movement. The weight should never go forward, always up. All right, 25 repetitions, just as before. Let's get going. Lay down. Make sure I'm not hitting anything. Make sure you're not hitting anything. Weight up and keep that weight as much as vertical as you can throughout the movement. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 25. 1, 2. Control. 3. Stay here. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 15 left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 5, 10 left. Ready? Sit up, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. 1, 2. Strong core. Come on, 3 more. 3, 2, and 1, and hold it on the way down. There you go. 25 down. 2 exercises left, I believe, right? 2 exercises left. 3 exercises left. Whew. I need a breather. How about you guys? All right. 10-pound weight. This might be a better idea with no weight. Let's give it a shot with a 10-pound weight. In fact, the next 3 exercises, 10-pound weight. All right, I'm gonna grab this between your feet, lean back, and we're just gonna do leg extensions. We're going for 25. If it gets heavy, or if you feel lower back discomfort, drop the weight on the ground. Continue doing it without the weight. Here, the trick is for me, gonna be finding my balance. Anyway, weight between my feet. Ready to go. In 3, 2, 1, weight up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight slipping. There we go. 9, 10. 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. And 5. Oh boy. That was definitely challenging. Lower back held up, so I'm happy about that. Let's take a little break. Stay on the ground, guys. Keep the same 10-pound weight. Unless you're brave, you want to move to the next weight. You see the preview of the exercise right now. Two more left, guys. 2 more left. We got this. This exercise is very similar to the Russian twist, but I want to keep those arms straight and just pivot back and forth like a lever. We're going for 15 repetitions, 25 repetitions. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Weight up and just twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a pendulum. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, if you have to put your legs down, that's okay. 11, 12. We'll lift them back up. 13, 14, 15. Keep those arms straight. 16, 17. Fight it. Come on. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And back to center. All right. We made it through the last exercise. Plank position. Gonna slide the weight forward, slide it back diagonally towards the other arm, the other hip actually I should say. Pull it up, slide it back, pull it up, slide it back. That's all there is to it. Not much more of an explanation needed than that. For this I'm going to use the 20-pound weight, and again we are going for 25 beautiful, wonderful repetitions. So on, stay here. Here we go. Weights back here. We're gonna pull it up and pull it back. Weights here. We're gonna pull it up and pull it back. And that's 2. Weights here. We're gonna pull it up and pull it back. That's 3. Weights here. Up and back. That's 4. Up, back. 5. Ready? Up, back. 6. Up, back. 7. Up, back. 8. Up, back. 9. Up, back. 10. 1. Hold it. 2. 3. 4. 5. 10 more. Ready? 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 more. 1. Hold it. Hold that plank. 2. 3. 2 more. 1 on each arm. 1 and 2. And that's it, guys. Welcome back. Sorry about that gap hole there. I usually just tape these in 1 take. Today, it's gonna be 3 in the last exercise. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. I hope you enjoyed this workout. I got a good sweat going. Hope you got a good sweat going. Hope you felt it on the core. Hope you pushed yourself a little bit today. Don't forget to come back Mondays and Thursdays. My name is Paul, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.